Welcome to PuntaCanaVilla.com. Explore our luxurious 3-bedroom duplex villa for sale in Bavaro starting at just $177,000, boasting 1,813.7 square feet of opulent living space. Outdoor living is elevated with a spacious patio of 83.45 square meters. Conveniently located 25 minutes from Punta Cana International Airport, this villa for sale in Bavaro offers a short drive to El Cortecito and Bibijagua Beach. Enjoy community amenities including a social area with a pool and gazebo, a multi-purpose court, and a modern indoor gym. Feel secure with controlled access and 24/7 security within the gated community. Embrace nature with green trails and create family memories at the community playground. Relax in the living room, dine in style in the modern dining room, and create culinary delights in the contemporary kitchen. Indulge in luxury with a master bedroom featuring a walk-in closet and a private bathroom. 2 secondary bedrooms ensure comfort for all residents. Parking is a breeze with 2 designated spaces, and a swimming pool of about 12 square meters available at extra cost of $18,000. Payment plan is made for your ease. Reserve with $1,000, 10% after signing the contract, 30% during construction and 60% upon delivery of the property. Ready to make this duplex villa for sale in Bavaro yours? Contact us today at PuntaCanaVilla.com for a world of luxury, comfort, and unmatched living.